Hello there. How you guys doing? Welcome to G Daddy Media. I'm Coach Gary, and today I'm going to show you how to wash your car like it was done by a professional. Today we'll be cleaning my wife's Buick Encore, and I'm going to do it in 3 phases. Phase 1, we're going to clean the inside. Phase 2, we're going to clean the body. And Phase 3, we're going to do the detailing, which will include the windows and the tires. Alright, so the first thing we're going to have to do to clean the inside is we're going to have to do a little decluttering. So as you can look inside, this is how the vehicle usually looks. Alright, if I'm going to be doing any cleaning, I'm going to have to declutter. Alright, so let's get started decluttering. Alright, the decluttering is done, and now we're getting ready to vacuum. Alright, so we're getting ready to go to the vacuuming phase, and one thing you want to make sure you do, especially when you're doing your back seats, is to slide your front seats all the way up so you can get a good vacuuming under the seats. Phase 1 complete. Alright, so now we're going to do phase 2. Phase 2 is washing the body of the car. And you don't have to have a whole lot of stuff or spend a lot of money. It doesn't have to be an expensive endeavor. I like to get some kind of car washing liquid. Sometimes people use soap detergent. That's okay, but I like to get car washing detergent. Get you something you can spray on your on the hard to clean surfaces. I'm not promoting any of this, but just get you something that says all-purpose on it, so it cleans any and everything. And then, of course, at the end when we do our detailing, we want to have our tire shine. This is just your original ArmorAll. People use all different types of things, but I've been using this since I was a young boy. So let's get started on phase 2. All right, one of the things I like to do first is to wet my car down. I don't know, it just seems like the soap goes on a little bit easier and it gets a little cleaner if the car is wet to begin with. So we're going to do that first. Always start from the top. Start from the top and let the water come down. Make sure you get your tires wet. All right, we're now finished with the first two phases, and we're finally getting to the last phase, which is the detailing phase. In this detailing phase, I'm going to do the inside and the windows, and this might be one of the most important parts to make your car look really good. So, let's go. I am putting ArmorAll on the rubber parts of the vehicle. It just makes it look dark and clean. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so there it is, all three phases: the inside, the body of the vehicle, the body of the vehicle, and the detailing, which includes the inside, doing the windows. So let's just take a quick look at the vehicle. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, how to wash a car so it looks like it was professionally done. This is G Daddy Media. I'm Coach Gary. Guys, if you like this, please hit like and then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.